Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your oven surface burner stabilizer clip kit. The reason why you might have to do this is because the clip is damaged or broken and your oven's burner is not staying in place. For this repair, we'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of needle nose pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this repair, we'll be using a Whirlpool stove. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So here's the burner, and you can see right here, it's pretty loose in there. There's nothing holding it down because the clip is broken off. So we're going to get our burner out first. So just take that and pull it straight out from the plug. We'll set that off to the side here. So typically the clip would be sticking up through this hole here. You don't have a clip there, so we're removing the bowl here now. So the clip is supposed to go onto this spot here. There's no clip there, so we're going to grab our clip. So this is our OEM replacement clip. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. But this comes with the clip, and it comes with a screw and a little nut. So now I'm going to open up the stove here, and those two will lock into place. We'll line up the clip with this hole. You're going to want to make sure that this piece right here is on the inside of the burner hole, because that's what holds the burner in place. So once you've got these lined up, feed the screw in, and once the screw is through the other hole on the clip, you'll get your little nut and tighten that on as much as you can by hand. And once you've got it tightened as much as you can by hand, I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers to hold it in place and screw it on the rest of the way, because I don't have a wrench that's small enough to hold this. And once you got it tightened up, just check on it, make sure it's not loose, not going anywhere. And once you're satisfied with that, we can close up the oven. So now I want to lift up on the cooktop and push the rods in. And then I'll let the cooktop down slowly, just like that. Now I'll put the drip bowl in. I want to make sure that the large hole is lined up with the plug there. And I'm going to carefully put this on top through the clip and set it down in there. And now I can put the burner in. So we'll just slide that into the plug. Make sure it's in the plug nice and tight. And push this piece right there down onto our clip. So now it's nice and secure, and that's not going anywhere, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.